Hello everyone. Again today we have iPhone. It has problem with the motherboard, and after some diagnosing we found out the power IC has a problem. There is one line, it has no power, so we decided to remove the power IC and replace it with the new one. As you can see here in the video, first of all we need to remove the filling like glue around the IC. You have to clean this one, otherwise if you just take out the IC, some components surrounding this IC, it will come out with the IC, so it's better to remove the filling glue. This one, it should be done with the low temperature and very precise and straight line, so you don't remove another components beside the IC. In addition to that, you have to take care of the CPU. If you can see in the video, the CPU is very close to the power IC, so if you apply very high temperature, it might affect the CPU as well. So we'll do it slowly. We'll remove all the four corners or four sides glue, then we will pull up the IC. So after we cleaned all these glues around the power IC, so now we need to shift it up. You have to find like space or corner in order to slip like any kind of tool like tweezer under it in order to lift it up. If you have any iPhone or iPad motherboard issue, you can bring it here to our store at Maple Cell Phone and Laptop Repairs. You can check out our website maplelaptopservices.com, and you can book an appointment or give us a call at 416-587-7105. So now we removed the power IC, so now we need to clean underneath the IC. You have to keep moving the motherboard 90 degree, 180 degree in order to reach all the corners. And power IC, I think from my perspective, is considered like the second hardest IC to remove it. As you can see in the video, there is no space, too much space like to use this tweezer and lift it up. It's very like tight with the other components. The first one, the hardest one, is the CPU. We do both of them. We do CPU, we do power IC, we do everything here in the store. Now we put some flux after we cleaned the whole area under the power IC. So we put a little bit of flux. So I had a call. So now it's time to install the new power IC. We need to make sure to put it in the right direction. There is like dot in the corner here. We need to make sure it's the same place. If you misplaced the power IC, then the phone will have short circuit or it will not turn on. In this process you have to take care of the heat degree and the airflow. You don't have to apply too much airflow, otherwise it will affect the CPU, the big chip beside it. We try to move little bit the chip to make sure it's soldered correctly, like in its position. If you have any iPhone or iPad, please give us a call at 416-587-7105. Thank you for watching. See you next video.